Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amylouise, and today I have got an absolute mammoth of a task to open this box. When I say huge, I ain't kidding. This is absolutely massive. It is basically a wardrobe. I cannot it's huge. Like, thank you Pixie, but my god, it's massive. I've been getting PR from Pixie for a few years now. Never anything this big, and yeah, I'm gonna open this up. I don't know what's in this. As always, my thoughts, opinions, reviews on everything is completely my own. If it's shit, I will tell you it's shit. But yeah, I don't know what's in this box, so let's open this up and find out. Wow, that was a workout. Wow. So this is the box. It is absolutely huge. I'm gonna zoom you out, see if I can show you the full thing at once. It's absolutely huge. Like, it is enormous. Like, what? So while I've got you zoomed out like this, let's try and open her up. Oh my gosh. So I officially cannot see. I feel like I'm just like a stamp at this point. So this is what's in the box. You can see it, I can't. Wow. This is absolutely enormous. Enormous? Is that a word? So it says, Louise Rowe, creamy delicious. I created these colours for lips and cheeks. It's all you need in one palette. I created this palette to help you enhance and define your best features. Get ready to be sculpted. Goddess, promise. Okay, try the other side. The other side says makeup by Denise. Don't let anyone dim your glow. Find the perfect shade to match any mood with this beautiful versatile highlighter palette. Okay, and then Tina Young. I've combined all my favourite shades to create this versatile eyeshadow palette that's perfect for any occasion. Okay, so it is 4 palettes. So in the middle it says, I am honoured and excited to present this year's Pixie Pretties. We have created an exciting collection of palettes with 4 extremely talented and creative beauty industry experts. XOXO Petra. Okay, this is huge. It's like a child's playhouse. I'm going to take the palettes out, zoom you back in, and we will be right back. Okay, so that was a workout. Okay, so we've got the Pixie and Tina Young palette. Let's open her up. So this is 25 shadows in one palette. This would work for a lot of people as like a day-to-day eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do something really quick with this, nothing spectacular, and it's not going to be like a tutorial. I just want to slap some colour into my crease kind of thing and see the performance of this. I am at work so I can't do anything crazy. And let's go in with this shade right here, which is called Crease Perfect. Okay, so there is Kick Up in the pan. I've not primed my eyes as I usually would because I wasn't planning on doing this. But there's pigment. It's soft, it's nice. And these are going on really nicely over a powdered base. I literally just have a I have the Huda foundation on, I have cream, bronzer and blush, and then Curty S1 over the top, and my brows and my lips. That's all I've got on. So I did powder my eyes. So yeah, these are going on really nicely over the powdered eye base, which we all know that I don't typically do, but on days like today when I'm just at work and I'm not doing like a full day, like a full makeup look, this is the kind of makeup I do. I will quickly powder my eyes, and then usually I put like a bronzer or something through the crease just for a little bit of extra definition, and then that's it. That went on beautifully. And then I'm just going to go in with, look, I'm going to go in with this deeper brown here, which is called Rosy. I don't know why it'd be called Rosy, but it's called Rosy. I'm just going to tap that on the outer corner, blend that out a little bit, and then through the crease. Nice. And then I'm just going to take Butterflies, which is this shade right here, just on my finger, just kind of like a champagne-y colour. Just tap that on over my lid. Nice. I already knew that I liked the Pixie eyeshadow formula. It is creamy, there is a bit of kick up in the pan, but honestly the formula works. It is a beautiful, usually they're like nude shades, and this is majority nude. You've got a couple of like blues here, but I mean it's majoritively, it's mostly nudes. That is kind of what Pixie are known for. It's usually nudes and neutrals and very soft tones with like the occasional pop of colour. I know that I like their formula, and this is no different. So next palette is the Denise. I have no idea who Makeup by Denise is. Should I? Sorry. Apparently she is a published content creator who loves to share her tips and tricks with her dedicated online community. She's passionate about helping people grow from the inside out, travel, philanthropy and photography. Okay, so this is a 9-pan highlighter palette. Can I just say that this would be beautiful for any working makeup artist? You've got, my lighting is, you've got shades for like deeper, darker skin tones, medium and light. I really like that. I know that some people are gonna say that there's a time and a place for eyeshadow palette, not eyeshadow palettes, what am I saying? A lot of people don't like highlighter palettes that have like colours for deeper and lighter skin because they personally can't use them. I call bullshit, honestly. If you've got an eyeshadow, a highlighter palette like this where it has got shades that are too light for you or too light dark for you, you can use those as eyeshadows. You can use them just like a regular shimmer eyeshadow. You do not have to use certain things for the specific reason that they are made. This looks really nice. I'm going to go in with this top middle shade. I mean, it's the bottom to you, but to me it's the top. And it is called Lit. It's a beautiful champagne gold. Let's give that a pop on my cheeks. That is really nice. It's not too bold, it's not like too natural either. It's got a really nice reflect. I don't know if my camera's picking it up, but that is nice. They are very soft and creamy, and again they would work as eyeshadows if they are not the right colours for your skin tone. You can always use an eyeshadow as bronzer or blush. You can use a highlighter for eyeshadow. You don't have to just go by what the label is. Now we've got the Pixie and Promise palette. Who is Promise? I have no idea. Promise is a makeup artist known for her amazing transformative makeup techniques and beauty tutorials. She encourages her followers to have fun with makeup and experiment. Okay, I don't know who she is either. I'm sorry, like I feel like I should know who these people are. This is the Shape Shifter palette, so like contour and stuff. So you've got two shimmers, the middle and then this pink. So they're going to be highlights. Obviously this gold is going to be for deeper skin tones, and then the pink is more for light skin tones. And then you've got your two like light powders. This is a banana. This is that a, it does not say. I'm thinking that's translucent maybe. So you've got banana powder and what seems like a translucent or a very light pale powder. Then you've got your contour for medium and dark skin tones, and then your contour for light to medium down here. I'm gonna give this a whack. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Kathmandu, which is the grayer of the two lightest shades. I will not be going in with these, but again, I can use these as eyeshadows. I will be able to use this on clients. That is nice. So Kathmandu, and this is a Morphe E4 brush. And let's just give this a little try out. Where's my mirror? That is not too pigmented. It looks a lot harsher on camera than it actually is. That is nice. It's not too pigmented. It's not too light in pigment. It blends nicely. Really nice actually. I think that this would be really good for an Amylouise kit. I know that some people are going to say that they have no use for this. That's fine. But I do think that the formula is pretty comparable to my MAC contour palette. I like this. This will be getting used quite a lot. And then the last one we've got is the Louise Rowe. This is a cream rouge palette. I won't be able to use this. And I mean, ooh, what is this? 2, 4, 5, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 shades. You've got from really light nudes to really deep true reds, and even like a burgundy colour. This is nice. I don't think I've ever tried anything like this from Pixie. I do absolutely love their On The Glow blush sticks. Love it. Like, they are my favourite at the minute. Liquid cream blushes. Lipsticks. I don't think I've ever tried their lipsticks. I've tried their lip glosses. I don't think I've ever tried a lipstick from them. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. This, what can I stick on in here? Let's go with this. So I'm going in with Paris. Soft, creamy. Very comfortable. It's not disrupted my lipstick that I had on underneath. Yeah, this is nice. I want to swatch that red. In fact, all these reds. Ooh. Yes, please. I'm going to get a lot of fun out of this palette. This is probably the palette that I'm going to get the most fun out of. It is blush and lips. This I'm going to get a lot of fun out of. I can tell you right now, I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. The reds are beautiful. Like, oh, you've got like really deep reds. You've got pinky reds. You've got more like traditional reds. You've got nudes. This is up my street. I like this. A lot of packaging for 4 palettes, like a lot of packaging. I am gonna have trouble with recycling, honestly, but I mean, 4 palettes, surely the box could have been smaller. Other than that, I'm very happy I got this. I can tell you I'm going to get a lot of use out of the lip palette, the contour palette for sure. I reckon that the highlighter palette is going to get a lot of use too. The eyes, maybe not as much, just because I don't tend to wear that many nudes. But there is some colourful shadows in there, so I'd maybe take this on a night away or something like that. Yeah, this is a good little surprise. I'm gonna head off now. I've got to go to work. Thank you so much, Pixie. Like, I really do appreciate this, and of course all my thoughts, opinions and reviews are my own, whether they are gifted or not. Like, I'm not gonna like sugarcoat something that's crap if it's not. Wait, no, what? I'm not gonna sugarcoat something crap just because I got money or the product for it. Like, I just don't work that way. Yeah, I don't see the point in that, because that would break your trust within me, and then you're gonna stop watching my videos, and if anything, it's just gonna damage myself if I big up a product that I don't back. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. That is the way my mind works. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Did you think that I would be getting 4 palettes in that giant box? Let me know down below what you think, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.